Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will show you some key safety features of our planar motor system. I will answer 4 main questions which we have commonly received. There's no need to worry about collisions between XBots with the planar motor systems, as the controller automatically avoids collisions. I will try to command the 2 XBots to run into each other. I will try to command XBot 1 to run into XBot 2. If I send the command, you can see that the XBot will stop before colliding. If you see closely, you can see that they will not actually touch thanks to the collision avoidance functionality built into the planar motor controller. Even though I wouldn't usually intend to send an XBot off the system, we all make programming errors sometimes. When I command the XBot to position outside the flyway, it will automatically stop. I will command XBot 1 to position outside of the flyway. If I send the command like so, you can see that the XBot automatically stops at the edge. Now what happens if something like my hand, for instance, gets in the way of an XBot in motion? As you can see, it does no damage whatsoever to my fingers. The main controller is met with an external error, and the XBot is sent into accident mode. As you can see, the controller creates a red accident zone around the accident XBot, where the other XBots are stopped by the software from entering. The planar motor controller has a built-in function for accident handling. With one command from the PC or PLC, it's possible to recover the XBot seamlessly. It is important to consider what will happen to the planar motor system if the emergency stop for the machine is used. A typical implementation for the emergency stop for the planar motor system will incorporate a digital quick stop command to the PMC, which immediately lands the XBots and triggers an STO cutoff. As you can see, pressing the emergency stop immediately triggers a quick stop, which overrides all previous commands to decelerate and deactivate the XBots in a controlled manner. After a short delay, the STO will be cut off. As you can see, the system still monitors the position of all the XBots when the STO is triggered. The flyway will be re-enabled once the e-stop switch is reset, setting the STO signal high again.